Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for viewing Lydia's Insights. All right, so today I'm going to share with you people, my beautiful people that view this. I'm going for an MRI. Yes, on the 26th. So it's not too long from now. And MRIs, magnetic resonance imaging. I took a little bit of some notes. Okay, this is what I've already known about MRIs because I have had to get them ever since 2004, so I'm a little bit familiar, and things have gotten a little bit stricter about what you can do. Like this time that I called to make an appointment, they told me, excuse me, my nose was running. They told me, make sure you don't eat anything 2 hours before your visit, and they said that now I'm going to have to wear a gown, where versus before they just made sure you didn't have like any metal. I could still wear my clothing, I just wouldn't be able to have any metal on my person, and I was still able to. But so those are the different restrictions now. And the reason why I'm getting the MRI is because I'm supposed to yearly get checked out. I didn't say that correctly. You put the right words where they belong. So it's because in 2004, I had my first brain tumor, which was cancerous, got removed. It was the left frontal lobe. And it was said at that time it was the size of an ice cream scoop. It was a grade 3. It grew back in 2008, a lower grade, which the surgeon had said that was a miracle because typically when it grows back, it's a higher grade. And it was in the same spot, and it was smaller. It's all gone. I'm here, I'm alive, although they did tell me in 2004 that I only had a year and a half to live. Woo, miracle! So with that, on the 26th, I'm going. The reason why I'm kind of speeding it up a few months is because of the grand mal seizure that I had about 2 weeks ago, approximately. And I haven't had one of those that I can remember since like 2009, 2010. Originally in 2004, I had one, and that's how I found out that I had my brain tumor. Anyhow, so me having that, it just kind of set the wheels, so to speak, going for me to get it checked out now. And there's just different things going on that just doesn't seem right, seems a little bit off, seems a bit different. So I'm just gonna get it checked out and see what's going on in this brain of mine. The thing about MRIs, okay, so is that it's a magnetic field, and I found out something yesterday. I'm gonna just read it to you guys. It's a magnetic field that is 1 to 4,000 times stronger than the Earth's magnetic field. Okay, I'm gonna have to read that again because for me to fully understand that. 1 to 4,000 times stronger than the Earth's magnetic field. Okay, so which I've already knew this. I kind of already was like, whoa, you get kind of off balance when you go in the MRI because it's focusing on my brain, right? So you get in there, you kind of like strap down, like they have your head. You can look it up and you can see how it looks, but you're like strapped and you're not supposed to move. So they ask you, are you claustrophobic? Because I think they have to like sedate you if you are. I don't know for sure what they do because I'm not claustrophobic, but and it's loud. You have to be still. And I move the phone, but you don't move. It doesn't move you, but the thing does go over you. Anyway, sorry for the shake. So yes, it's loud, and it's like I'm gonna have to be there for like a half hour. I think maybe 20 minutes. I think they've gotten it down now. It used to be 30 minutes. So anyway, and if you move, they have to start all over again. Thank God that's never happened to me. The other thing is I'm gonna have to get it with contrast. That's a dye that they shoot in you. Now, everyone has different responses to it. I, however, get heartburn with it. I mean, it's a dye, it's going throughout your body, and that's what happens to me. Now, is that strange, odd, weird? I don't know. You'd have to experience it yourself and see what your reaction is to it. So anyways, I'm gonna have to have my mom take me, because it seems to me lately, probably due to age as well, that after I have the MRI, I'm just like really off balance. I am not able to think as clearly and focus as clearly. I just feel like I'm like, I can't explain it, describe it. I don't feel very good. So my mom has said yes, that she will take me, and I'm relieved, because it's a half-hour drive, and half-hour drive there and back. So yes, thank you. A shout out to my mom. Thank you, Ma. So my protons will be moving, and my neurons will be moving. They're gonna be lining up with a magnetic field, and then the radio waves will hit. And so once all that's done, I'm not really sure. I can read for you. I took notes, like I said. And then they will stop, the radio waves will stop, and then the protons will align with the magnetic field, releasing electric magnetic energy along the way. Blah 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 blah. That probably didn't make sense, because it's not even making sense to me. Anyway, so what happens is that my neurons are gonna go all crazy, they're protons and all that, but it's all controlled. And somehow they're able to read the energy that's released from my protons. Yeah. Yes, so maybe you could just look up the information yourself. I don't know, but yeah, it's pretty interesting. So, okay, guys, that is my excitement that I wanted to share with you. And so, goodbye, beautiful people. Thank you for viewing Lydia's Insights.